In 1930, Southeastern Louisiana College began its football program and adopted the Lions nickname in 1931. Football center Elmer Sanders submitted the Lions name for nomination, and a majority of students backed the choice, making the lion the mascot for the college. By the end of the 1950s, the lion mascot had become a symbol of Southeastern spirit. In 1959, Junior Albert Broad wore a lion mask at sports events, encouraging students to attend. And in 1961, Martha Talley, embodying Southeastern spirit, wore a lion suit and posed with the cheerleaders. In 1962, Southeastern acquired a live lion cub. And in that same year, sophomore Leroy Fanning, a member of the student government's judicial board, asked the student government to purchase a new mascot uniform.
Actually brought a bill before the Student Government Association to buy a mascot uniform, and they approved it, and we bought one, and they said, okay, who's going to wear it? I said, I will.
Then in 1963, the Alumni Association sponsored a contest to name the lion, and the name Lobo won. A year later, he was renamed Roomie in honor of the late Hollis Roomie Wilson, a professor of biological sciences who had passed away on April 17, 1964. Wilson was a Southeastern graduate of 1939. He played football from 1935 to 1938 and was president of the senior class and S Club. He and the other football players resided in the first men's dormitory that was part of the new Strawberry Stadium. His roommate Tummy Womack nicknamed him Roomie, and the name stuck. Over the years, Roomie has evolved, but one thing has remained the same. Roomie brings us together. He represents our university's values, strength, determination, and unity. Whether it's game day orientation or alumni events, Roomie ignites school spirit like nothing else. Roomie unites students, faculty, staff, and alumni, making us feel like one big family. He is a symbol of our entire university community, reminding us of who we are and what we stand for.
I was the mascot for my freshman year. I was Roomie, fall in 2003. It was the first year we had the football team since 1985, the year that I was in. So it was like a big push. I think the end of the day of being a mascot is just keeping people hyped and also to engage with people who are there to see the team and, see the cheerleaders and everyone else. And so I think just being positive, having a lot of school spirit, and just having fun with it.
A school mascot is more than just a costume or a character. It's the heart and soul of our school spirit. He embodies our history, our pride, and our traditions.
For me, the best part about being Roomie was the interaction with the students or the kids or the adults. But still, the energy that you bring to it, they can sense that. So if you bring a peppy, upbeat energy to your actions, that's how Roomie is supposed to be. So when you're nailing it as Roomie, people can tell. I think is probably what a mascot is supposed to be. It's supposed to be kind of like a representation of this is your school and this is your school spirit embodied. So let's get hyped up, let's have fun.
I really enjoyed just getting to run around, and it made people happy. And seeing people smile whenever they came to take a picture. That was always really cool. That's what brought me joy. That's what makes a good mascot, is being animated, being there, and being willing to stay in a little bit longer if it means helping out the people putting on the event to help everyone have a good time.
Roomie is huge on this campus as an ambassador for the campus. It's important to get him out there. It's important for him to be around and for these kids to love Roomie. It's just fun watching them get into that costume and become a totally different person. And Roomie has a special part here at Southeastern.